Okay, this is the symbolism for farmers. Okay, basically, the first few of the tools they use in agriculture. And because of that, there was a so-called revolution, okay, which shifted from the typical stone and basic tools into different tools nowadays, which are given high infusion with technology, particularly, okay, yung mga machineries na ang gamit. Okay? So, this is the first time of plowing and even the relationship of people to animals, even how they domesticate animals. Okay? Paano nila naging katuwang sa pamumuhay ang kanilang mga inaalagang animals. Okay? So, domestication is also a process. And honestly, note that without them letting us know beforehand that kaya pala, so wala din siguro itong mga ganito improvement. Because of the domestic species in the early years, they were able to raise or they were able to provide food or even work or even employment. Okay, just like yung mga sheep sa mga cold countries, sila yung mga fur nila, fur ba yung tawag? Wool nila, yun ang pinaka-importanting component sa kanilang kasunugan. And it can be medicines, okay? So there are a lot of things, or even the plants are also contributory for survival. How these animals take or have taken care of them. Okay? So another is so-called irrigation. Until now, this is one of the farmers ng ating mga farmers na hindi sapat yung irrigation technology natin. But in other countries also, yung pinaka-problema nila kasi hindi nila kaya to contain yung kanilang water. And even this time, water is so, it's number one cause of, shall I say, it's a tragedy sometimes because of the flooding. Okay? And because of too much, yung pag-iimbak ng water, nare-remember nyo yung last time na pinakawalan yung water ng sa dam, sa Manila, na ang dami namamatay. Okay? So, it's also attributed to technology or to the development. However, okay, if we have to go back, okay, the irrigation is part of the artificial application of water to soil through various systems of tubes, pumps, okay, and even sprays. Okay, it is usually, okay, that when rainy days is not happening, or sometimes useful ito siya, especially with flooding. Okay? Then we have to go back to the fields. Okay. So, makikita niyo pa ba na ito ang ating pandas ngayon? Marami. Okay. Sa may kolong, nakikita mo ba ito? The first step is there, may hantaan na ito. But, of course, in the inner circle of the city, kung natin witness this one anymore, yung dyan sa may extension lang ng yes before the site agricultural, and this site is already converted into this commercial lots already. That is why we have a high-rise in mga buildings. So one of them, okay, another, okay, the context of this is of course, where? Saan pa? Okay. So, isa po sa mga pinaka-importanting remnants or symbolisms of society and culture. Bakit? Because of this, there are a lot of inventions made, and even it's a wonderful thing to know na bakit hanggang ngayon, yung mga patay, intact pa rin yung kanilang values. So, where yung anong klaseng technology in terms of embalming ginagamit nila, but na-reserve pa yung mga katawan ng mga namamatay. the most controversial book, okay, being debated upon by who? The Islam and the Christian community or believers. The Torah is part of the Bible which was extracted. There are 4 books within this, okay, and there are some parts of these which were extracted. Kaya naging vacuum. If you are belonging to the Christian faith, parang may vacuum yung life ni Jesus. After ng kanyang teenage, wala na, after ng 13 ata or 12, wala nang records of life development niya. Nagbalik na lang yung kanyang litigation or pagkakako sa kanya. Yun na lang. So there's, I think, 12 years na karangka. And this is attributed to the extraction of some parts of this book. And this book is also highly what will be studied among the Muslim. Diba? Yung Torah, no? Even yung Sharon, nandiyan talaga ito siya. Okay? Part of your what will be scriptures. And let's go to the Chinese fingernail shields. Okay? Which is highly what will be but this is what we learn among global women. Okay? So, when you are wearing this one, this is an indication that you belong to the high studies. And this is also trying to look into the engagement of people when it comes to the manual labor and of course the blue collar job. So, in order to protect their nails from breaking, okay, then the noble women would tend to wear these metal guards. Okay? And these guards were very flat. Ano siya? Masyadong sturdy. Masyadong siyang matigas. Hindi talaga siya na kabali. Okay? So, yes. Another is this is the ancient Egyptians believed that the heart recorded all of the good and the bad deeds of man. Okay? So, and of course, they believe that the heart is the one that decides or judge whether a certain act is good or bad, or even the judgment is based on the quality of heart after life. So, yun ang belief nila. So, after a person dies, okay, or dies, the heart is being hinihibang nila. Okay? So, I don't know. Siguro proper nilang tao. Yes. Yes, they have the procedure. So, they weigh against the feather of Ma'at, and justice. Okay? So, this is closely related to or linked to the beliefs of the religions. Why are you here? Okay. Second for the last. Kung lalapitan ka raw ng cat, huwag mo lang itabot kasi that means that something in your body is supposed to move. So, siya raw yung bagay. The most, ano daw, siya, ang cat of all the domesticated animals, siya rin yung pinaka-sensitive sa mga dinaramdam ng mga kaya siya pwede siya nasa loob ng kwarto. It's only nowadays that dogs ay pinapasok na natin sa loob ng kwarto. In the old days, the practice was not like that. Ang dogs talaga, guard sila. Outside sila. Ang cat pwede sa loob. So, yun ang isa sa mga anyway, so, who is this? Okay? The meaning of this is a trained house. Okay? This is a reference to a particular class where this particular individual resides. And of course, again, this is coming from the beliefs of the Egyptians or the history of the Egyptians, especially among rulers where kings, okay, were used to be given this particular title. Okay, so as a religious leader of the Egyptians, this individual king or this king is considered as divine, okay, and considered as intermediary. What do you mean by intermediary? Okay, just like so siya yung mga intermediary in between man and God. Okay, so merong something. Okay, so yun ang feeling ng mga Egyptians. Okay, this is another. Okay, is ancient Egyptian also the fifth of the kings. Okay, then another very significant event is the American Revolution. Okay, these paintings which are found in your art or even in your art, what we call these subjects in PEP, they are very symbolic in the sense that, okay, this contributed to how they struggled. But because there were no weapons, there were no bullets in those days. What they have are only the horses' ears. So, importante siya. Okay? This is symbolic to the independence, especially in America. Of course, this is because of the political regime. So, during the French Revolution also, this is in the 1789, there was also a movement that shook France. Okay? And ito rin yung pinaka-symbolic na figure or na painting na everyone. Okay? So this is right below the end of the ancient regime in France and serving also to distinguish that event from later revolutions. Okay? Then we have the Inquisition. So the Inquisition was a powerful office set up, just like the court. Okay? Wherein may court and then meron silang parang saan i-conduct yung punishment. Okay? So this is usually put up in the Catholic Church or within the Catholic Church. Okay? To root out and punish. It's only hearsay in Marites throughout Europe and America. This is American. Sorry for the. So beginning in the 12th century and continuing from hundreds of years, the Inquisition is infamous, okay, for the severity of its tortures and its persecution of Jews and Muslims. So, iba lang kasi ng torture, no? Mental na nila siya, ginagawa na nila sa mental abuse na ginagawa. It's no longer the typical torture which is happening in all the days. Okay, then we have the picture of the civil rights. Okay, these are the personal rights which are guaranteed, especially in the Constitution, okay, or in the laws of the land. Okay, it's not only the Philippines who have this. This is all throughout. Okay? So, pero iba-iba yung pagka-rate. Iba-iba yung pagka-state. Okay? And the civil rights in 1964 and Americans Disability Act in 1990 are also included in this particular representation. Why disability act? Okay, this is already adopted. What is disability law in the Philippines, especially sa mga DSNet ba yan sila? Special needs. Okay? We all followed the provisions coming from the United States. Yung tinatawag natin na protection against the special population. Because yung typical na civil freedom rights stated in the constitutions are not enough and not even stating the welfare also of the special population. The special population group are those who are naturally or during birth, ano na talaga sila, dahil crippled. But this time it included even yung autistic, ano ba, yung may mga Down syndrome, and even yung old age disease this time, which is Alzheimer's and dementia. Okay, so captured na yan. So, in the Philippine law, mas lalo na siya pinagawa. Kaya nga, hindi na nga tayo pwede, we cannot do the catcalling anymore of anyone else na may karamdaman. Yung pag-whistle, yung health na assembly, it's really, pwede na talaga tuloy. Okay? So, these are some of the important inputs. Okay, this is the two historical in nature, but hindi ko nilagay dyan ang mga facts, the rest of the facts. This is only based one, or yung based lang sa needs na contemporary. Okay, so, how many were examples of culture or remnants of society and culture that we are discussing here? Okay, first, 13. 13 ang nakuhaan ng ano? So choose two from the 13. Pwede ba sa natin okay? Nakuha kayo ng dalawa. Okay? Na pwede ninyo gawing extension or gawan